This is a new sign at Anchor Point. Gives you all the information about the spot, warnings, high attendance. Spot can reach levels of degrees of difficulty. And surfers and try to find friends.
From Gorilla, remember?
Oh yeah, Bugs.
Hi, Bugs. Oh, you're so cute.
Mr. Anchor Point himself, Brahmin.
Oh, bro.
He's got his gun.
I'm going to ride some waves.
You're gonna go shred it, man. Don't.
Yeah, shred it, not sure.
You got this. I am confident. You're gonna put on a show. We're gonna get some good video here, okay?
I make some show today.
Yeah, we're gonna get some video here.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Bye, and good luck.
Give him my regards.
Here he goes. We got our boots on.
I guess he's gonna warm up a little bit.
There he goes. More toward La Pointe than Anchor, but we'll see where he winds up. Maybe he's gonna play the current. Oh no!
Whoa.
No. Is it okay? It's like an ant in a washing machine out there. But he's getting over it. Duck dive. He's way far out there. Here's Anchor Point. Another surfer heading in. He's going.
Exciting.
Someone else is going in the water here. And a big set is coming in here. Ryan's paddling out again. Woo-hoo. He's over it. Beat it. Go. Woo-hoo. Uh-oh, here comes another big one. Mother of holy moly. Whoa, you better duck dive that one. Woo-hoo. Let's go, Brahim. Get under it. Yo. So there's Taghazout in the distance. Tamrat. Tamawan's on the cliff. And our brave surfers. He's going fast. Yoo-hoo. Wipe out. So as you can see, Anchor Point, the spot to be on any big day, watching the surfers. Oh, and there's one coming up here. Woo. Let's see this. Walk along the water's edge as the bodyboarders prepare to get in the water.
Just walking, she's like, I've been in one of these houses before. I'm like, yeah, me too. I think this one.
Best place for tea. Yeah, you rent one of these houses and you got one of the best waves in Morocco. You just hop out on the rocks, paddle right over there. And here. Wow, a lot of people out there now. Good surf in Morocco, and this is one of the best spots. Here, Brahim got out of the water. He got in the water around that corner, about a kilometer. So you travel quite a bit here.
Hi, Brahmin. How was it?
Amazing.
You had a good time?
Yes.
It looked amazing.
Good. Set. Saki, gani. Set. Yeah. Set. My friend, America and Africa.
Better Africa.
America and Africa.
Yeah.
Good.
Good job, man. We got some video.
Yeah, bro. Good ways.
So I hope you enjoyed our video from Anchor Point on October 29th, 2020. It's first big swell of the fall. And after this point, many more surfers got in the water. Many more spectators got to Anchor Point. And by sunset, it was the place to be. Instagram feeds were full of shots from Anchor Point. And we could still hear all the waves crashing last night here in Tamrat. So the surf season is here. It's official. And we'll see you on the next wave. Thank you. 4:45 at Anchor Point. The crowd is getting bigger.